Hi everybody, today I will show you how to make line graph in Google Sheets. Doing this is pretty simple. You'll have to first of all make sure that you select the data that you want to make the line graph for. After selecting your data, you're going to simply click on Insert option and choose Chart. Once you do this, Google Sheets will generate a chart automatically, but it might come up as a different chart type by default. On the right side, you'll see the Chart Editor panel. Click on the Chart Type drop-down here and scroll down and select line chart. Once you click this, your chart updates instantly, showing your data across as a connected line. Now click on the customize tab in the same panel and you can give a chart a proper title, change the color, thickness of the line and turn data points so each value is clearly marked along the line. You can also adjust the horizontal axis and the vertical axis text color, label font size, the label format, and much more. You can also click on chart style and change the background color for the chart, the font for the chart, and the border color of the chart. You can make it smooth, maximize it, or get more control over it. So that's how you make a line graph in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.